Hi everyone, today I am going to discuss some very important questions of Python. Let's move to the first question. The first question is, which of the following is an example of built-in function in Python? See here, print, this is a built-in function, and range, this is also a built-in function. Okay, so both A and C, they are the built-in function. Okay, this is user-defined function, my function. This is user-defined function, whereas these two are built-in function. Okay, next one. In Python, what is the purpose of this def keyword? Here, when you use this def keyword, okay, when you use this def keyword, you are telling Python that you want to create a new function. Okay, whenever you are using this keyword, you are telling you want to create a new function, and you need to specify the name of the function and any parameter. So what is this purpose? The purpose is to define a function, And here, whenever you are using this, you are creating a new function, and you need to specify the name of a function and any parameter that it will accept. Okay, next one. In Python, what is the purpose of lambda keyword? See, a lambda keyword means it is used to create a new function. Important, it is used to create a new function. And without using this def keyword, we are using def keyword to create a new function. And using this lambda keyword, you can create a new function, and without using this def keyword. Okay, the resulting function is called lambda function, and it is also known as anonymous function because it has no name. Okay, so lambda keyword, it is used to create a new function. Just remember that one. Next one. What is the purpose of the pass keyword in a Python function? See, pass keyword, it is to provide a placeholder. That means, see, if you don't want to write any code inside a function, okay, and if you define a function but don't include any code inside it, you will get a syntax error. In order to avoid this, you can use this pass keyword, and it acts as a placeholder for future code. Important. Next one. What is the purpose of return statement in Python function? Return function purpose means it terminates the execution of the function and return a value to the calling code. It will terminate the execution of the function and it will return a value to the calling code. Okay. Next one. Which of the following statement is true about Python function? See, a function can have multiple return statements. Okay, this is possible. A function can have multiple name. A function can have a multiple name. No, that is not possible. A function can only be accessed inside the class. No, this is also wrong statement. A function can accept a fixed number of arguments. This is also a false statement. Okay. Fixed defined inside a class. This is not possible. This is not the true statement. And a function can have multiple return statement. That is the correct statement. Next one. What is the purpose of star args parameter in a Python function? See, it allows the function to accept an arbitrary number of arguments. Star args means arbitrary, accept an arbitrary number of arguments. Option A. Okay. What is the difference between positional argument and keyword argument in Python function? See, positional argument are specified by the position in the argument list. Okay, whereas keyword argument are specified by name. Positional argument are specified by the positions in the argument, whereas keyword argument are specified by name. Okay, next one. Which of the following statement is true about local and global variable in Python function? See, local variable can have same name as a global variable. Local variable can have same name as a global variable. This is important statement. Local variable can have same name as a global variable. Next one. What is the output of the following code? Okay. Here one function is given. GEF FOO. So the FOO function take three parameter. What are the three parameter? They are X, Y and Z. Okay. Now with the default value, does X have any value? No, X does not have any value, whereas Y have value. What is the value of Y? That is 3. And what is the value of Z? That is 7. Okay. And here return X plus Y plus Z is given, and next statement is print. And what is there to print? FO1 comma Z is equal to 2. This is the statement given inside the print statement, and here it is given 1 means X is equal to 1. Okay. x is equal to 1 and z is equal to 2. Okay, in this print statement, does it give the value of 5? No, since y argument is not specified in the function, y argument is not at all specified in this function, so it take the default value. What is the default value of y? That is here. What is the value? So y will be taking 3. Now you can return what? X plus y plus z. So what is x plus y plus z? That is 1 plus 2 plus 3, that is equal to 6. The correct option is option is 6. Next one. What is the difference between parameter and arguments in Python? See, parameter are used in function definition while argument are used in function call. See, parameter are used in function definition and arguments are used in function call. Okay. Next one. What is the difference between a local and a global variable in Python? Local variable are defined inside a function, whereas local variable defined, they are inside the function, and global variable means they are the outside. They are outside. Local variable are inside and global variable are defined outside of any function. And see, local variable can be accessible within the function in which they are defined, because where it is defined inside a function, no. Whereas global variable, it can be accessed from anywhere in the program. That means it is defined outside of any function, so it is able to access from anywhere in the program. Next one. What is the purpose of star x and star quack syntax in Python function? See, star arc syntax allow a function to accept an arbitrary number of positional and keyword argument. That means, see, the star args means that syntax allow a function to accept an arbitrary number of positional argument. Okay, accept a positional argument and quacks that keyword. Sorry, that syntax is used for keyword argument. Okay, star quack syntax allow a function to accept arbitrary number of keyword argument. This is for keyword argument, and star asks for arbitrary number of positional arguments. Next one. What is the difference between return keyword and yield keyword in Python? See, return is used to end a function and it return a value. Okay. And while yield is used to create a generator. That means it is produce a sequence of value. Here it return a value and yield it create a generator that can produce a sequence of value. Next one. What is the purpose of init method in Python class? See, init method is used to initialize the attributes of a new instance of a class. To initialize the attribute of new instance of the class. Okay, next one. What is the decorator in Python? The decorator in Python means a function that take another function as input and return a modified version of that function. That means it is used to add functionality to an existing function. Means it is adding a functionality to an existing function without modifying its code directly. That is known as decorator in Python. Next one. What is a generator in Python? See, generator means a function that can produce a sequence of value one at a time on demand. Sequence of value. Generator means sequence of value one at a time on demand. Next one. What is the scope of a variable in Python? Scope means the portion of the program where the variable can be accessed. What do you mean by scope? The portion of a program where the variable can be accessed. That is the scope of a variable in Python. Next one. What is the difference between mutable and immutable object in Python? Mutable object means they can be changed after they are created, while immutable object we cannot change once they are created. Option B. Next one. Which of the following statement about default argument in Python function is true? The default argument can be any valid Python expression. What it can be? It can be valid Python expression. Option C. Next one. Which of the following is true about the recursion in Python? See, this is important question. See, recursion function must always have a base case that terminate the recursion. Otherwise, what it will happen? Otherwise, it will enter into an infinite loop. See, recursion is a technique that can only be used to solve a certain type of problems. It is false. Why? Because recursion can be used to solve a wide variety of problem. Recursion function are always more efficient than iterative function. This is also false because this recursive function can be less efficient than iterative function. It is not more efficient, it is less efficient. And recursion can only be used to call the same function. This is also false because a recursion can be used to call any function, not just the same function. Okay, next next one. Which of the following is the higher order function in Python? See, all are higher map function, filter, reduce, all of the above are higher ordered function. Next one, which of the following is the correct syntax for defining a user-defined function? See, this is the correct way. You want to use this def keyword, function name, parenthesis, colon. So a function name means it is the name of the function. Parenthesis can contain any argument that the function can accept. So this is the correct. And this all are the wrong syntax for defining an user-defined function. Next one. Which of the following statement is true about the scope of a variable in a user-defined function in Python? See, a variable defined inside a function are only visible inside a function. Okay, this is the true about the scope of the variable, and they are said to have a local scope because they are created when the function is called and they will be destroyed when the function is returned. This is important. Variable are defined inside a function are only visible inside a function which is defined. Variable which is defined inside a function, that will be visible inside a function, and they are said to have a local scope. An important thing means whenever they are created, when they are created means they are created when the function is called. Okay, and they will be when the function returns, they will be get destroyed. Next one. Which of the following is correct way to call a user defined function in Python? See, function name followed by a parenthesis. This is the correct way. Okay, this is the way you can call a user defined function in Python. Okay, hope you understand. If you like this, please subscribe my channel, and thank you for watching. Thank you.